Welcome to my nightmare. It's been a long time, guys, since I put this key in this lock. Cleared some spider webs away a little bit as I could from the area. Oh, if it'll even open, guys. Got it. Okay, got it, guys. I'm gonna put my keys away. Ooh, is there a spider in here? Wow, look at that, guys. Ay, ay, ay. This could be just loaded with spiders, guys. First time, drum roll. Drum roll. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. Look at the spiders. Holy crap. Now I'm going to show you some of it. That's it. Let me open this completely. Oh my goodness. Look at the spider webs. Oh. Holy crap. Look at the spider. Holy crap, guys. Oh, the smell coming out of here. Anyway, spiders history. Oh, guys. I need a stick to clear that web. The stick's got webs on it. Look at that, guys. What? Are you kidding me, man? Yeah. So, guys, wow, a lot of this. What's that? I see. First off, I see a lot of water. I see a lot of mold. Spiders. This stuff has been in here for so long. Look at this, guys. Water. Mold. Look at the mold on here. Just glancing over here without stepping in. Lots of mold and mildew. Wow, look at that, guys. Papers are soaking wet. Stuff is wet, guys. A lot of stuff is going to be trash. Old school copper right there, guys. Look at that. It's like boxes of cards. Baseball cards. I don't know, guys. Oh, the air is stagnant. So much water getting in here. Look at this, guys. So much work needs to be done. It's all for the dream, guys. All for the dream. Spider webs, guys. Spider webs. All moldy computer board. That's a planer, guys. It's just rusted out. I could clean that up. I'm thinking about selling this planer. I'll clean it up real good. Put some oil on it. It worked really well, so I have it covered with a piece of wood blade. almost fell in, guys. Oh, look at the mold buildup on that, guys. I'm gonna play with it. We'll use this for a little while, get it clean again, and put it for sale for 30 bucks, you know. Look at that old stereo. Should I step it in? Should I put my first step in? Look at these cables. Oh my god, I'm in, guys. Holy crap. Holy crap. What is in here stuff? Holy, look at this copper, guys. Oh, spider web in the face. Spider web in the face. I gotta work on getting this cleaned out. First, guys, some wires, some copper wires, stuff in there. All dreams that have been unfulfilled, guys. This is salvageable, guys. Wow. 1 year, guys. Look how lifted and dirty. The seams are really like open. The seams are definitely open. Gaps throughout. Scrap up here as well is down there. You can see the gold here. I mean, it's scrap money, it's cash money, but you can see the hustle. You can see the hustle that I've been doing for some time, and that's why I decided to get the channel going. Wood. Splinter. Bad bacteria in there for sure. Oh. Didn't look like it stayed in there. That's a good thing, guys. Get my gloves back on. What's that? That's stuck in me, guys. Something stuck on here, maybe. Gut this out, clean it out, bomb the heck out of the inside, bug bombs. Get in there, clean it out. I'm going to retar this for this winter. That's what I'm thinking, retar it. I mean, just to get the spiders and stuff out of it. Just use it while it's here, right? Use it or lose it. It's not good scrap value. It's not good scrap value, guys. This is foam in between the aluminum sheets, so it's dirty aluminum. Might as well use it, right? I'm going to try to get this roof cleaned off today. What I'm thinking is a couple cans of tar, patch every nook and cranny, every crack, every opening. Like some silver that got hard instead of sealing, it got hard, and silver coating that they use on mobile homes, it just got lifted because it's two separate types of tar. Makes sense, right? This is a silver coating with aluminum in it. Not silver, but aluminum. and it doesn't go well with tar, obviously. Even if I put tarps on top of here till I get to clean it, it's still going to cost me $50 worth of tarp. Heavy duty. Got some kind of plant or weed growing out of the roof, guys. What? It's hard too. Might be a tree weed. I don't know, guys. There's, you see that, guys? There's roots. Look at that. What? Again, this silver aluminum stuff. It's got to be gotten rid of. Whoa, did you see that? The whole thing just came off. Obviously a lot of work to do here, guys. I think it's worth it. Get rid of that weed. It's just a lot of work. It's going to be hard work. It's not easy. This weed's growing in here. Alright. Hey guys, for 7 years we had the gypsy moths here tearing up the leaves, so all this dirt you see is from them, especially over here. All this is from the gypsy worms, you know, caterpillars, the gypsy caterpillars. They eat everything, you know. That's all from them. And it was really a burden for me even to tar this roof with so much dirt and debris falling down. You know, then before you know it, it's winter, you know. So so this year I don't even hear anything falling right now. The gypsy worms I think are done. I just want to get some tar on this roof to seal it, and I'm going to bomb the heck out of it. I mean, I found a worm in here. I found a worm, guys. How does a worm get up here, you know? I don't know where the worm is. I probably raked it off the roof. The wind keeps blowing stuff over here. There's the pile so far, top of the storage units. I'm trying to sweep this stuff, but it's just stuck. Stuck there, you know, so that's a big pile right there, guys. I still have to do 98% of the shed roof. The wind doesn't help any, guys. But here we go, I'm on the edge. Don't do this at home, guys. Just blowing back on. So this half is pretty much clean. I gotta do this half now. I need to move this stuff, guys. I have to move it. I don't want it up here anymore. I'm at the point, guys, where I'm just sweeping it off and it's coming right back at me. So I think I'm going to stop for now. And I'm going to show you that right here, guys. Okay. I'm just sweeping this here. And it's just coming back, you see? It just comes back. So it's not worth sweeping the little stuff. I'm just going to leave it as this until I get the power washer up here. And just get this power. See, I want to get under these ladders a little bit and stuff. That's the problem. Ladders are going to have to be going on the back of this shed here. I'm going to have to put some better system in the back here where I can hang ladders and stuff like that. Get them up out of the way. Okay, we're finished here, guys. And just remember, guys, no matter how hard, how difficult something is, figure out a way to get around that. Okay? Get one step closer to that dream every day. You know, this shed might be fire to some people. it might be crap to some, or it might be gold to some, you know. To me it's golden because I'm going to get storage units and I'm going to store them in here. That's why I want to fix the roof, power wash and paint the outside and make it nice, okay? And it's got 3 windows on the other side to let some light in, but I want to put up some lighting on top of the roof, and I can't do that if it's leaking. That's where the metal roof's going to come in next year. So yeah, cool. We'll see you on the next one.